Hi, today I'm part of new Realme Pad Mini and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So to activate AD option, we should first get the application from the Play Store. That's why in the search bar enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click to draw over apps. So, one moment. Now find here Muviz Edge application, click on the switcher and go back. So, and then tap to AD section and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Tap to apply and now just let's lock the device and we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.